Page 483, number 27. We're asked to find the parameterization for the curve, the line through the points negative 2, 5, and 4, 2. So what I decided to do is label point A as negative 2, 5 and point B as 4, 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our vectors information to help us find the two parametric equations that we need. So you start by connecting A and B with a vector, and then putting an arbitrary point P, which could slide anywhere along that line. I just happen to put it beyond AB, but it could be between them, so it doesn't matter, but we'll put it there for now. Then what I did is I drew two vectors, OP and AO, because what I can see is if I add AO and AP, I will get the resultant vector OA from adding the two together. And that's the idea I'm going to use. I'm going to use the idea that I can find the length or the vector and its components of OP by taking vector OA and adding to it vector AP. And again, remember, P can slide anywhere along there, but it'll have the same direction. So its change will depend on where P is, which is just a scalar value of AB, vector AB. So writing this one more time, I have my vector OA, and then I'm going to be adding to this some scalar value times my vector AB. Now it's just a matter of finding the components of these vectors. So I am going to have that my xy, which will be my parametric equations, can be written in terms of vector OA, and O is at the origin, so it'll just be, the components of OA will just be the same as the coordinates of point A, and I'm going to be adding to that some scalar value times the vector AB. So to find AB, I have to use my my head to tail method, and I'm going to take 4 minus a negative 2 or 4 plus 2, and then I'm going to take 2 minus 5. So simplifying this, I get that my resultant vector will be my OA, which is negative 2, 5, plus I have the vector 6t and negative 3t for components. Adding these two together, I get (6t minus 2) and negative 3t, plus 5. So, breaking those apart, I get my parametric equations. I get x equals 6t minus 2, and I get y equals negative 3t plus 5. And those will be my solutions for the line through the 2 points, negative 2, 5, and 4,